Can you hear that soft, soothing sound echoing through the quiet Tasmanian woodlands? That's the gentle voice of the Dusky Robin, a bird whose calm call blends perfectly with nature's silence. The Dusky Robin is a beautiful little bird found mostly in Tasmania, Australia. It's part of the Australian robin family, but unlike the bright colored robins you might know, the Dusky Robin has soft brownish grey feather that help it blend into the bush. That's why some people also call it the sad robin because of its dull color, but don't be fooled, this bird has its own special charm. One of the most beautiful things about the dusky robin is its gentle and sweet call. Its song is not loud or flashy. Instead, it's soft, mellow, and full of peace, just like a quiet conversation with nature. The call is often a series of thin, high-pitched notes, repeatedly slowly and calmly. You will often hear this relaxing tune during the early morning or late in the evening, especially during the breeding season. These robins have open forests, grassy woodlands and areas with low shrubs. They usually sit quietly on low branches or fence posts, watching for insects to catch. Their calm nature matches their calm voice. It's no wonder many bird lovers go out early just to hear their peaceful song. Sadly, dusky robin numbers have been going down due to habitat loss, but in places where they still live, their voice is like a gentle whisper of the wild, reminding us of the quiet beauty that still exists in the natural world. The dusky robin is also a loyal parent. During the breeding season, both the male and female work together to raise their chicks. They usually build their nest in hidden spots like tree forks or low shrubs, keeping their young ones safe from predators. So next time you are wandering through Tasmanian peaceful forest and hear a soft, gentle melody in the distance, pause and listen. You might just be lucky enough to hear the calming call of the dusky robin. That soft, soothing sound you hear, it's not just a bird call. It's the voice of Tasmanian peaceful forest carried by the dusky robin. This bird has several other names like dozy, sad sleepy, stump Tasmanian wood robin, native sparrow or sad bird. The dusky robin was first described by the French zoologist in 1832, measuring from 14 to 16.5 centimeters in length and weigh around 27 grams. The dusky robin song can be heard throughout the year, and it is often among the first sounds at dawn. This is little known because it is near impossible to distinguish between males and females while observing them in the field. However, they do occur in small groups or pairs, especially in breeding season. Sometimes a small flock from 6 to 12 birds, with the largest being 20 birds, which can include many juveniles, can be observed during winter. If you like this video, please comment, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.